Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how to achieve a quick natural hair updo. So let's get right into it. So I had braided my hair into about 5 and I had like 2 plaits at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and loose those out and get started. So in this section, I'll be adding some leave-in conditioner by Mielle Organics. Okay, so the leave-in conditioner will help to moisturize my hair and to make the detangling process much easier. Okay, so now that I've loosed out all of my braids, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair using a wide tooth comb. So I had already applied the leave-in conditioner to my hair to help soften it, so I'm just gonna comb the sections out. Okay, so now that my hair is detangled, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it up a bit with a very soft brush. I'm just trying to get my hair to look as neat as possible. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this pony clip that I have here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my hair up in one, trying my best not to pull on my edges too tight. Alright, so after I have everything up, I'll just go in and put my pony clip in. And here we go. So you have the option of wearing your hair like this with the puff, but I'm gonna take it a step further and go ahead to twist the hair up here so I can tuck my edges away. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section it off. After sectioning, I'll just go ahead and twist. Just a normal twist. And you do this for the entire section. Okay, so that was easy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just put some elastic bands at the ends of my hair. So I'm gonna take up like 3 of these twists and put an elastic band at the end. I just wrapped it around it twice, and then I'm gonna get a hairpin and tuck this into the top. So this way my ends will not be exposed to the elements. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of my hair. Okay, so that's it for the top. Let me show you how it looks. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use some of this styling gel, moisturizing styling gel I have here from Mielle Organics. And this is my first time opening this product, by the way. Did you know that the 12M, that symbol on your products means that you have 12 months in order to use this product before the ingredients start going bad? So because I'm trying to take as much care of my hair as I possibly can, what I do is just to write down the month and the year on the bottom of the container, so I'll know when exactly I opened it, because I don't want to be using stale products in my hair at all. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and brush the gel in just so my hair can look more neat. I do notice that the gel kind of looks white on my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair after I'm through with this video so the gel can soak into my hair and get rid of the flyaways that you're seeing, because I want my hair to look as neat as possible. Since I had used a white pony clip at the top, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this navy blue headband that I have, and I'm just gonna wrap it over it twice so it hides the pony clip, and there we have it. So if you see a need to conceal whatever item you used, so if you see a need to conceal the pony clip or whatever you used to catch your hair up, then you can just wrap a headband over it. It's as simple as that, guys. But this is the end of the video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and do stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video and would love to see more natural hair videos and more crochet braiding videos. Okay guys, I got you.